Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this whimsical winter wonderland look right here. So if you are interested or if this looks inspiring to you, please make sure you stay tuned. And before we get into the video, make sure you hit that like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it more than you would know. So let's stop gabbing and get right onto this video right now. Hey guys, welcome to the video. So to jump right in, the first product that we're using is the P. Louise base in shade number 2, like we always do in almost every video because this is one of my favorite bases. It's about $15 or $16. You can buy it at Morphe brushes actually on their website. So we're just going to put a dab on each of our eyelids. We don't need a lot because a little of this product goes a very long way. So the brush that we're going to be using to blend this out today is going to be a flat top brush. I like these, I preferably like these myself because I feel like they get in those creases and crevices a lot better. So the palette that we're using today is the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. And the shade that we're going to be going in with first is that blue shade right there at the bottom. And we're going to be going in with a small fluffy brush that can get right in that crease very well. And this look is going to be a little bit more blown out, so we're going to extend it out pretty far today. Sorry if I sound a little awkward in today's video, guys. This is my first voiceover. I decided I wanted to try something new with you guys to see if you like it. So if you do, please leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me if I should do more videos like this. But yeah, enough about that. Let's continue. So yeah, we're just going to slowly blend this out. Like I said, it's going to be kind of more of a blown out look. So make sure you kind of drag this look past your eyebrow. Don't feel weird about it. That's the goal. So next we're going to cut the crease. We're going to go back with that P. Louise base. And we're going to go with a smaller flat top brush than the last one. I cut the seam for this because I want to do a video about cut creases specifically, so I didn't include that. We're now going to go in with that Morphe 25L palette, and we're going to go in that blue shimmery shade to do a smaller kind of winged area, I would call it, because that's what I'm doing with the eyeshadow. I'm kind of winging it like I would with my eyeliner. That's the shape I'm going for with this blue color. And make sure to bring that out far like you did with the other shade. Next we're going to go on with Naked Cosmetics with their loose eyeshadow. And we're going to also take some setting spray, spritz that on a eyeliner brush, and dip that right into the shadow. And that makes the shadow into more of like a liquid shadow, and that allows us to use it almost like a liquid eyeliner to a point. And this allows us to fill in that gap between the crease shade and that I just call it our lid shade, so it allows us to fill between that lid shade and that crease shade to add some pizzazz and sparkle to this look on top of what we already put on our lid. So that's what it looks like when we have that part filled all the way in. Lastly, we're going to go in with our lashes, and these lashes are from T&D Lash Co. I found them on Instagram, so make sure you go over there and give them a check out. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please make sure you leave a like, comment, share, and you subscribe to this channel. It'll mean the world to me. I'm sorry that this week's video is posted late. I had a lot going on, so make sure you stay tuned for next Wednesday, because my goal is to have it posted on time next week, and you'll catch me with another Christmas tutorial. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Peace.